Oh shit! Harold! Damn! Damn, God! Shit! Watch out! Watch out! Oh shit! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Shit!
Chicago, USA, experienced a powerful snowstorm that brought traffic to a near standstill and caused serious accidents on highways. The storm hit the city hard, blanketing streets and homes in heavy snow and making driving almost impossible. Local authorities declared a state of emergency.
I'm stuck. I'm actually stuck.
Asses. Even the helicopter cannot help on this situation. Sure. These are all the vehicles coming from Joburg. Now the entry is falling one way.
Air traffic at Chicago's O'Hare International Airport was also affected, with hundreds of flights canceled or delayed due to the severe snowstorm. Train stations experienced significant delays due to icy tracks. City residents faced difficulties reaching their workplaces.